Hey everyone, let's talk about electric cars on a budget. If you've been thinking EVs are only for luxury buyers, think again. In 2025, there are some seriously affordable electric cars that pack in modern features, solid range, and best of all, won't break the bank. Today I'm breaking down the top budget-friendly electric cars of 2025 so you can go green without emptying your wallet. First up, the Chevrolet Bolt EV. This one's been a favorite in the US for years, and for good reason. It starts at around $27,000, gives you an impressive 259 miles per charge, and has 200 horsepower under the hood. Inside, you get a big 10.2-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus DC fast charging for those quick top-ups on the go. If you want affordable and practical, the Bolt is a solid bet. Next is the Dacia Spring Electric from Europe. If you're all about city driving, this is Europe's cheapest EV, starting at about €17,000. You'll get 143 miles of range, a compact crossover look, and it charges to 80% in under an hour with a DC charger. The real winner here? Super low running costs, perfect for anyone looking to keep expenses down. Moving over to China, the BYD Dolphin is making waves. For around $20,000, you get anywhere from 210 to 265 miles of range depending on the model, with up to 174 horsepower. It's stylish, comes with a large touchscreen, advanced safety tech, and BYD's Blade battery, which is known for its high safety rating. Affordable, smart, and surprisingly fun. If you're in India, check out the Tata Tiago EV. Priced around $10,000, it's India's most affordable electric car, with up to 195 miles of range. City-friendly size, a 7-inch touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, basically all you need if you're a first-time buyer or just need something practical for the daily commute. And finally, the Volkswagen ID.2 expected late in 2025. Projected to cost less than €25,000, this German hatchback should offer up to 280 miles of range. Modern looks, a digital dashboard, and Volkswagen's push to make EVs truly accessible. If you want German engineering on a budget, keep an eye out for this one. So, why are affordable EVs everywhere in 2025? Lower cost of ownership, thanks to less maintenance and no fuel stops. Zero tailpipe emissions, so you're helping the planet too. Plus, governments around the world are offering rebates and tax breaks, and more cars are designed to fit into city life. The future? Longer ranges, faster charging, and even more options under $20,000. Charging networks are expanding fast, and budget EVs will soon have tech like smart route planning and AI features that used to be premium only. So which one would you pick? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more on the latest affordable and eco-friendly cars. Thanks for watching.